Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing well today. If you are new here, welcome, and if you are returning, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to do my unboxing of my Beauty Heroes box. Now you can see that I've opened it. I did use the products once, and I'll let you know what my first impressions were on the product. So in this month's Beauty Heroes box for March of 2018, I'll open it up and show you. I can get it open. I don't know why it doesn't want to open. Oops. Okay, it says, I kind of messed it up here. It says, discover Siam SEAS. Now, this is a brand I have not tried before. It's one I was on my list to try. And let me open the box and show you the hero and the sidekick. I mean, these are absolutely beautiful products. I've seen so many people in the green beauty community review these, say that these are ones that they absolutely love. So I'm just going to read from the card. It says, introducing our beauty discovery. It's the Yen Heal and Hydrate toner that is the hero, and the Morning Delight cleanser that is the sidekick. And I'm going to go into the card, and it says that Siam SEAS pioneers a new skincare category with Yen Heal and Hydrate toner. Because it's not a toner. After one spray of this exotic and complex formula, you'll agree that this description is a misnomer of the best kind. Neither hydrosol nor serum, this souped-up botanical water combines organic aloe vera, geranium, cucumber, lavender, and chamomile hydrosols with tamarind extract, terminalia, I think it's Cebula, Casip, Badima, and Terminalia belrica to deliver deeply penetrating hydration and breathable dewy protection. And the sidekick, I'll say the retail value on the Yen Heal and Hydrate toner is $90 for 100 mils. And on the sidekick is the Morning Delight All-in-One Morning Cleanser. Now it's $70 for 100 mils. Let me see how many is in here. It's really small, but it's not, this is not full size, obviously. It says, inspired by the familiar childhood scent of the lush gardens and trees after a morning rain, Supadra, that's the creator of Siam SEAS, created Morning Delight as a simple AM cleansing ritual to awaken the skin and senses and to bless each new day. As an added bonus, the gentle cleanser effectively removes makeup, making Morning Delight an all-day affair. So you can use it as your morning cleanser and a makeup remover. I mean, you can use it any time of day you want. It really doesn't make any difference. But let me get inside here. Yeah, this is how it looks on the card. And on the inside here. So I did use it this morning. And I have to say, I used both this morning, and I really enjoyed using them. So let me take out the hero and take it right back out of the box. It's really nice packaging. I mean, I love it. It's really nice. I like the black bottle. It looks very, very stylish, I guess you would say. And yeah, it's the Yen Heal and Hydrate toner. Refresh, reset, protect. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray some on my hand so you can see. Now, I would not spray this directly onto my face because it's not that kind of spray, and you will see why. I'm going to spray it this way. Hold on. Do I have it pointing the right way? Yeah. You see how that came out? That came out more like a stream, and it looks like this. And I'm going to rub it in my hands, and I love the scent of it. It really is such a joy. It's such a pleasant scent. I really love it. Love that. Yeah. This was one that I had on my list to try, and I was glad to see it in the Beauty Heroes box. And then I'm going to show you guys the, excuse me, I don't know why I'm suddenly coughing. Shouldn't be coughing, but yeah. And the Morning Delight all-in-one morning cleanser. Now I'm going to show you guys what this looks like. I'm going to put a little bit on my hand, not a lot. And you can see it's like an oil cleanse, and it's really, really nice. I like it. I'm going to put it on my hands. It's moisturizer. And it says when you use it, you know, to start in the center of your face and spread it out and then just breathe it in. And I did that this morning. I mean, it really did wake me up nicely. I like that. I've been having a lot of, you know, body pain, and it's been really hard. Getting up in the morning has been very, very difficult for me. And this really helped me wake up quite well. And even, you know, I find it soothing, you know, when you have chronic illnesses and you have body pain, you want to use products that are going to make life a lot more pleasant. So yeah, the reason why I haven't been blogging, not blogging or vlogging, but putting up any videos is because our power was out for over 4 days after the last storm that blasted through here, and now today we're having another big storm. So it's what happens in March in Northeast PA. That's how the weather patterns go. And then we'll suddenly have spring right after that. And then you can get another snowstorm. We've had that happen a lot. But yeah, so I haven't been up recording any video or uploading any video because I could not. But today I am. So let me know what you think of this month's Beauty Heroes box. I believe there may be some still available. I'm not sure. They might be sold out because of this particular one. I'll have to look. I'll leave it in the description below if they do have any left. But it's not a subscription box like you would just get a subscription and you pay monthly. You pay for $115 for 3 months. It's more of so you can try products that if you want to get into green beauty, this is the way to go. I mean, it's about $38 and change a month for these two products. You can't beat it. So yeah, I really enjoy these. I can't wait to use this one even more. I mean, it really is quite hydrating, I can say, for me. And the thing for me was that when the power was out, I wasn't really doing my skincare routine like I would normally do because I could not. I mean, I wasn't going to use ice cold water splashed on my face. I don't have a gas stove that I could use. And I noticed that my skin was not just dry, but extremely dehydrated. I mean, and what happened was I know my skincare was sort of like helping out, but that, you know, it really kind of like woke me up to how my skin is super dehydrated, not just on my face, on my hands, everywhere in general. So I'm having a big problem with that, but this I know will help with that, the dehydration, as well as this product. So guys, let me know what you think of this month's Beauty Heroes. I mean, I'm really going to enjoy this. I enjoyed this morning. I enjoyed this morning. I'm going to try and use this as a makeup remover whenever I put makeup on again. I haven't been wearing any lately, so take care, guys. Give it a thumbs up if you like this video. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe and leave a comment down below so I know that you guys are watching the videos. Okay, guys, take care, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye, guys.